All right, 36 says, what are the pair of alternate interior angles? Remember, if it's alternate, it means it's on opposite sides of this line here. If it's on interior, it's inside that square or that rectangle there. So my first pair are going to be 5 and 3. So I'm going to cross out any one that doesn't have 5 and 3 together. So A is out, B is out, and honestly it looks like D is out too. So it looks like C should be my answer. My second pair would be 4 and 6. Those are my two pairs of alternate interior angles. They're both in C. C is the answer. 37. What best describes angle 3 and angle 7? So I have angle 3, I have angle 7. Those two are in the same spots. If you want, you can look at their options. The first one's alternate exterior angles. Well, I noticed that if they're alternate, they should be on the opposite sides of my red line. Those two are on the same side, so alternate's out. C is same side interior. If they're same side interior, they'd be on the same side of the red line. They're good there. If they're interior, they'd be inside my two blue lines. Now one's inside and one's outside, so they're not going to be interior. Supplementary means they add to 180. Those two look the same to me, so they'd be congruent. Your last option is corresponding angles. Corresponding angles are angles that are in the same spot. So if I took, where's my little guy? If I took angle 7 here, and I moved it right up the line, it would lay on top of angle 3. If I moved all 4 of these up, 7 and 3 would be on top of each other, so they're corresponding angles. 38 says, which angle forms a pair of alternate exterior angles with angle 1? So we're looking at angle 1 here. We want alternate exterior angles. So they need to be on alternate sides of my red line. They need to be on the outside, exterior, of my blue lines. So on the opposite and exterior, we have angle 7. So our answer here would be angle 7. Alternate exterior angles, angle 1 and angle 7. And 39 says, which angle corresponds to angle 3? We have angle 3 here. Remember, we want the angle that's in the same spot. So imagine if I moved these 3 over here. Angle 3 would lay right on top of angle 7. So my answer is going to be angle 7 would be my corresponding angle.